In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Bank Link Failed. So it may be because your bank account is labeled invalid. So why was your bank account marked invalid? They may be because of these reasons. The microtransfer used for manual bank verification failed due to incorrect or mistyped routing or bank account number. Or the bank may send them a notification that they couldn't find an account with the information you provided. Can also be because your account that you transferred or entered was not valid for electronic or ACH transactions. This often happens when you try to add a savings account. It needs to be checking only. Next, on the account's transaction limit has been exceeded or the funds are on hold. So if these are the ones that happening, you can head over and then do this fix. You need to have the correct account number and routing number, and there need to be no restrictions on electronic or ACH transactions for your bank account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.